Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the input on your ACER Nitro XZ273U. First, what we need to do is we need to click on the button which is right beside the ACER logo in the middle. Now here we need to click the input, click on the button again, and here we can change the input to anything else. So for an example, we can choose the input to be, let's say, HDMI 1, 2, and the DisplayPort. So as you guys can see, let me change it to HDMI. I do not have an HDMI monitor right now, so it will automatically select DisplayPort. But still, if you got two cables connected, then you guys can simply choose the HDMI or DisplayPort depending on your preference. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.